If you're looking to buy a Colorado home under $200,000, or if you're looking to purchase a home with no monthly mortgage, and you're looking to simplify your life, this video is for you. Hi, this is Jayne Parrish with Fabulous Colorado Homes, powered by HomeSmart, empowered by my amazing clients, and fueled by coffee. Our panel will include Jayne Bale with Platte River Mortgage, Aleta Antoinette with Homes That Give, powered by HomeSmart, Carrie Levy with Exodus Moving and Storage, and Maegan Keller with Shape Space. You all have purchased a modest home in Aurora several years ago, and she was laid off at the beginning of the pandemic. So she decided to retire at 63 rather than 65 as she'd previously planned. Dreams of getting out of the big city and buying a home with a yard in a small Colorado town where she will care for her dogs and work on her paintings. She's anticipating another shutdown this winter and doesn't want to be stuck in the city. Using the cash proceeds from her condo, Lisa will purchase with a Heckum loan so she can avoid a monthly mortgage. She was thrilled when her realtors, Jan and Aleta, recommended Jayne Bale from Platte River Mortgage. Once Jayne explained how a Heckum loan works, Lisa realized her dream of living in the country was much closer than she imagined.
Let's clarify, what is a Heckum loan? Heckum is an acronym for Home Equity Conversion Mortgage. It is a program that's available from the FHA, and that's governed by our HUD, our federal government. It allows people over 62 with enough equity to have a mortgage against their property, but never have to make a mortgage payment. The client, the borrower, still needs to take care of their home insurance, their taxes, their HOA dues if that's applicable, but they could borrow money and never have to make a payment. It is a very, very complicated financial tool. It has had some wonderful results for some of my clients, and much like for Lisa, to be able to buy a home, retire early, not have to worry about that overhead. It's an incredible product for the right people at the right time. It's not for everyone. It's not a short-term fix. It is a long-term financial tool to be in your home for as long as you'd like without making a mortgage payment. It is a phenomenal tool. There's a lot of moving parts in that program. It's not just a normal, here's a payment, here's a mortgage, here's your fixed rate. It's not that simple. So I do recommend we need to talk about it if it's something you're looking at doing.
And even outside of purchasing a home, I had clients who have been in almost a short sale situation with being laid off or whatever, and they were old enough to get a Heckum loan, and it saved them from losing their home.
Exactly.
So you can do that as well.
And I have done some wonderful reverse mortgages that have alleviated so much anxiety and frustration for the client, not feeling like they have any cash flow. I just closed one last night. 82-year-old woman in her home, and she has fixed income. And the mortgage was really limiting her ability to travel and see her family. We alleviated that pain for her. We set up a line of credit that she can access now, her equity in her home, without, worrying about paying back that loan for that equity. It is a marvelous product, either for a purchase or for a refinance, if you're going to be in your home for a while.
One of the things that I want to point out too is when you're buying outside of the Denver metro area, if you're going to Akron or Sterling or someplace kind of like Booney Docks, you can get a really good price. You'll be living in small town America, but you can get a $200,000 house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. So is it going to be brand new? No, but you can do something like what Lisa did, where she bought a 25-year-old home. She's going to fix it up as she goes, and now she doesn't have a payment, which is really great for her.
That's phenomenal. And I would add, we sometimes get a lot of clients like Lisa who might want some budget-friendly organizing options. There's a lot of different ways we can go about that. One of them is I can go and meet somebody like Lisa. I can walk through her space and see what she needs, and also what I know just from my experience, what needs to happen before she moves. And I can help her make a checklist of things that she can do, because it's likely Lisa's a self-starter. She wants to save some money and do some herself, but she might be going, oh my gosh, I'm doing a lot and I don't know where to start. So with several clients, we'll do this virtually too. I've helped clients move and organize garages in Arizona, Minnesota, and I'll make them a checklist. And then we can also check in virtually with each other. What that does is it gives somebody like Lisa a lot of support in her journey without having to have an organizer on the ground and paying for that for a large amount of time. And so we're happy to make those self-starter checklists. It's very helpful, keeps them focused.
Thank you for watching part 3 of our Homes Reimagined webinar. This was Simplified Living, Homes Under $200,000. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a thumbs up and be sure and subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. Next week, we'll be talking about upsizing or moving on up. Until next time, this is Jan Parrish, helping create your life story.